Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sitting on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I said this a few times. Even with
sa Trongare kami, kaso puno, tapos wala pa siyang parking, Lakeside Street ka lang magpa-park, so tatry ko mag Honey Bakes lang, sana may parking, so yun lang. Wait, maganda na sa Honey Bakes na kaya maganda kasi may parking sila. Hi guys, good morning. So today is October 8 and I'm just done getting ready. So today, I'm just going to Trinoma to meet my college friends. So magla-lunch and mag-ikot lang kami around the mall. So yung outfit ko today, gusto ko mapakita sa inyo. Wait, hala, ang dilim. So I'm just wearing a tube top from Shein and then long skirt from Zara. And then my Birkenstock. And for my bag, the tote bag Marc Jacobs and small. So ayun. So alas na ako. Bye! Hi guys! So, kakarating ko yung Trinoma. It's already 10:32. So, wala pa naman sila. And si Trisha pa lang yung malapit. And gutom na ako. So, ayun. Di pa rin namin alam kung saan kami kakain. So, maghahanap pa rin naman kami. So, ayun lang. Sama ko naman kayo. Bye! Look. So, alam ko, kukunin ko siya. Ang ganda. Flare pants from Zara. Yeah. Joke lang. Nag-awin na naman kayo. Hindi mo agad.
so comfortable, and no one seems to hold you like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right. When I'm with you, I feel so lucky I met you. And I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. To you.
Magta-decorate kami ng Christmas tree. Look, 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 look.
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterday. Woke up at noon, I'm in a day.
Next year, gold naman, tapos ang pang-ano ko.
We'll keep
Ito yung kasama niya, guys. So, ito na yung isusuksok. Meron nung currently na ginagamit na mic. Boya din. Pero hindi siya wireless. Ito, wireless na. And, let's try. Oh my God! Hindi ko alam kung Ayan. So, nandalaw. And then, yung mouthpiece. Ito yung boses ko kapag gamit ko yung Boya MM1. And then, ito naman yung boses ko pag wala akong mic at all. And then, lastly, ito na. Gagamitin ko na siya, guys. Hello! Hello, guys! And kapag naka-clip naman, hello, ganito yung boses niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Pero let's try. Nandito na ako. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo yung boses ko. I'm so happy! And say hello to my dog. Wait lang. Hi! Hi! Hello po! Hi guys! So yung Boya na nabili ko is yung Boya BY WM3T2. So I got it for only 1,610. 2,250 siya. Tapos merong Shopee voucher. So ayun. Ang kasama niya is ito, yung mic, and then yung receiver na ididikit sa phone. So itong Boya WM3T2, pwede siya sa may 3.5mm na mga camera. So, meron din, I believe, na pang iPhone. Pero, syempre, minili ko pang camera. Tapos, may kasama na din siyang charger for Type-C. Ayan. And then, alam ko, pwede mo siya gamitin habang nag-charge. So, ayun, yung receiver, pwede mo i-charge kung lobat na. And then, lastly, pwede mo siyang gamitin for 10 hours. And another thing, kanina kasi nag-video na ako, pero hindi pala siya nakasuksok na maigi dun sa camera. So, make sure lang na nakasuksok siya lagi. Kasi kapag hindi, ang lalabas is yung, ang magagamit is yung mic lang ng camera. So, if you're wondering din kung anong gamit kong camera, ang gamit kong camera is Sony ZV-E10. So, ayun. And then, yung before kasing gamit kong camera is, mic is ito, Boya MM1. Ano siya, hindi siya wireless, pero hindi rin siya kailangan i-charge. Tapos, pwede siya for camera and pwede na rin siya for phone. And less than 1,000 lang siya. Mas mura, pero ang laki. So, hindi siya travel-friendly. So, ayun lang naman yung issue ko dito. So, okay na to for beginner. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. So, if gusto nyo silang bilhin, ililink ko na lang sila below para din mabilis nyong makita. So, ayun lang guys. Bye! See you again on my next vlog.